Hello, everybody. It is Thursday, and I don't have anything going, so to speak. I do and I don't. But as far as you're concerned, you're looking at a blank canvas. But I know what I'm going to put on these two canvases here. This smaller one, 18 by 24, I am going to paint these two longhorns that are splashing in the water. I got permission from the breeders in Colorado that I could use this photo. But anyway, I just love it, and I'm anxious to start it. I just I just painted the background in lightly, and then I'll let some of it bleed through when I start putting the more groundwork in. Then I'll move on to the 20 by 24, which is this one here, of this beautiful bull. Once again, I got permission from the rancher in Claiborne, Texas, to paint this gentleman. I am going to have to really work on the grasses here because they're way too yellow, I think. Anyway, I'll play with it. I haven't done anything like this. I try to keep it a little simple, but I plan on putting 3 of these longhorns in the background. I'm taking this one out here because it's covering up the good-looking one in the back. Anyway, I hope I have something accomplished for next Thursday. I'm looking forward to showing you what I've done. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week.